Hello students, in this video we learn to solve question number 10 and on the basis of this video you can solve question number 9 also. So our question is find the value of x for which 4 by 9 to the power 4 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. So let's start the solution. Four by 9 to the power 4 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. This implies 4 by 9 to the power, as all of you know, when the base is same, that means 4 by 9 into 4 by 9, and powers are different, then we have to add the powers. Plus minus 7, 4 plus minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. RHS is as it is. Now 4 by 9 to the power 4 plus into minus is minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Again 4 by 9 to the power 4 minus 3, that means firstly minus, because we are subtracting greater number from a smaller number, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Minus 3 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. So now we can see that bases are same on LHS and RHS, both sides. Bases are same, that means 4 by 9, and powers are different, that is minus 3 here and 2x minus 1 here. So after that, how we can solve? By comparing both sides. When we compare both sides, then we can use minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1, because 4 by 9 and 4 by 9 both are equal. So we can write minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. So we have to solve this one. Minus 3. And this minus 1, if we send LHS side, then plus 1 is equal to 2x. This implies minus 3 plus 1, that means minus, firstly minus plus minus, and sign of greater number to 3 is greater, and before 3 we have minus, so I am putting minus sign. Minus plus minus, so 3 minus 1 is 2 is equal to 2x. This implies x is equal to this minus 2 divided by this 2. When we send this 2 from RHS to LHS, it gets divide. So we can solve this one by, this implies x is equal to minus 2 by 2, that means from 2 if we divide, 2 1 are 2, so we have minus 1 is our answer. I hope all of you understood how to solve, and you can solve question number 9, that is same as this question. So let's solve next question. So our next question, that is question number 12, is by what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient may be 4 by 27 to the power minus 2? By what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided? Let the number be x. According to the question, by what number, so the number is x, should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3, that means minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 is divided, that means divided by x, so that the quotient, that means the answer we get is 4 by 27 to the power minus 2, and we have to find the value of this x. So this minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3, we can write this one as minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 if we want to remove this minus, then we have to write the reciprocal of this number, minus 3 by 2. Actually 3 by minus 2, and we can write this one as minus 3 by 2 divided by x is equal to 4 by 27. We can write 27 by 4 to the power 2. Again the same process. Now how to solve? Minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 this divide x. If we want to send on RHS, then this is, we can write as 27 by 4 to the power 2, and divides get multiplied x after that we can write this one as minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. That means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 27 into 27 divided by 4 into 4, because 27 and by 4 power 2 is there, into x, and we have to find the value of this x. So this one we can write as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, minus 27 divided by 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8 is equal to 27 into 27. I am not solving this one, divided by 4 4 is 16 into x. This implies if we send this 16 to LHS side, then we can write this one as 27 into 16 divided by 8 into 27 into 27. If this 27 into 27 we are sending to LHS, then it gets divided. This is 27 into 27 is equal to, only x is left that side. This 27 and 27 both cancel each other. 8 2s are 16, so we have minus 2 only, minus, and this 2 left, and this 27 in the denominator is equal to x. Therefore the number is minus 2 by 27. This is our answer. I hope all of you understood, and on the basis of this question you can solve question number 11 also. Thank you.